Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on Terabox, open up your Terabox app on your phone, and after opening your Terabox app, you'll land on this interface where at the top left corner of the screen you can see the tree line icon available for us. Tap on the tree line icon at the top left corner of the screen, and over here tap on the settings button. Over here you can see on this panel where it appears, you can see at the bottom list there is the settings button available for us just above the webmaster. Tap on settings and you can see the fourth option that says night mode over here, guys. Now in order to turn on dark mode on Terabox, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the night mode, and then your dark mode on Terabox will be turned on or enabled like this. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn on dark mode on Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.